Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis, and I own Alexis Notary Services, and I am also a trainer with Notary Educators. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe this video. Please keep in touch with me as well. All of my social media information will be in the description box down below. So please make sure you're following and commenting and inboxing me. I would love to hear what's going on out there, questions you may have. And remember, we offer training and one-on-one coaching sessions as well. So let's jump right into the video. So I've been getting a few questions that I wanted to go ahead and answer because maybe you have the same questions as well. So some people have started their notary business and they're just like, okay, I got my commission, I got my Google page up, and I'm getting some calls. How do I keep track of everything? So I'm gonna just give you some tips as to what I do, and then you can take them and you can create some yourself. If you do create some, I would love to know what you do, or any something different that you may do that you came up with to do and it's working for you. So make sure you come back and comment or message me or comment on the Facebook group page and let me know. I just love to hear everybody's advances in the industry. So I had to go grab my notary bag out of the car. So here is my notary bag, just a regular bag. I actually had this. I had this for a long time. It came with some perfume that I purchased years ago. And yeah, I just always kept it. I love the bag. I never really used it, and it's a really good bag. So once I started my notary business, I just started using it for that. So this is how I keep up with all my actual physical items for my notary business. Everything's pretty much in here. And then like my printer and stuff, of course, that's over there, but my office. But yeah, so for actually keeping track of my day-to-day operations and what I've been doing, I use these two books here. Let me just put all of this to the side. So first and foremost, I use a notary journal. So this actual notary journal is from Angela. Angela made one, and this is the one that I use. So Angela from our Notary Educators team has a notary journal, and you can purchase it as well. I'll leave the link in the description box. This is what it looks like, and really good. So this is what I use for my day-to-day notary entries to keep track of what I've done. And within that, it's like name, date, time, signer, witness, identification information, then the person will sign it. And then at the bottom gives you, document type. And each page is for one signing, which I love. So no one's information is being shown to the next client. So love, love, love this journal. And it has quite a few notarization pages, over 200. So amazing. So this is what I use for my general notary work, regular notarizing, things like that. And in the state of Georgia, we are not required to keep a journal, but of course, best practices, we're going to keep one. So I definitely keep one. All my old journals, I have them locked away just in case. But yes, I do have my journals and I keep them. I have them from the start of my career. And I've been in business almost 3 years now. Well, no, it has been 3 years. Yeah, so almost, or has been 3 years. So next is the specialty work notary journal. So this one Kimmy made, and this is for your apostilles, your I-9s, your fingerprinting, inspections, and whatever else you do, permit running. So this journal is for that. So this journal looks like this. All of the client's information, what type of service it was, and then any additional details, maybe if they paid or not. I know I write that down there because sometimes they prepay. So I put that there. Any little details that may come up that I want to ensure that if something happens, that they call me and they had a question or something, you know, I could flip back and look at those detailed notes in regards to that assignment. So when I get like apostilles, of course, not all apostilles I will actually be notarizing. So some of that will, some of those jobs will go in both journals if I have to notarize it. If not, it'll just go in the specialty notary work journal. So as far as my day-to-day actions, my process is I write down everything in my book. Every time I get an assignment, every time I get a job, I'm writing it in either one of these. And then from there, at the end of my night, once I'm home, settled, I know I won't have any more jobs, I'll go ahead and enter all of this information into Notary Gadget. So Notary Gadget is the tool that I've been using to keep track of money, to keep track of mileage, everything that I need to keep track of for when it comes for tax time. And they give you, at the end of the year, you can curate different, what are they called? Charts or, you know, information, informatics about your job, about your business. I don't know why I can't think today. About your business in order to, you know, give that to whoever you let do your taxes. So that's what I've been using and it's been working. Notary Gadget is not free. It's $9.95 a month. Or you can pay annually and you get the first 15 entries for free, I believe. I think it's 15. So you can play around with it, see if you like it, see if it's worth investing, you know, the money into it. I like it. It's easy. Once the end of the year comes, I hit a couple buttons and I have a whole report to give to my tax person at the end of the year. So far, that's the only thing I'm using for like day-to-day operations. I cannot think of anything else. I use Square for payments. I use that day to day. Square for payments, Square for invoicing. I use Square for everything electronically, like cards, card wise. Um, yeah, so those are the tools that I use day to day. Day to day, that's what I use. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please reach out to me. Comment on the video. I'll get back to you. If you need training, please let us know. You can go to notaryeducatorsllc.com. We would love to train you and assist you with starting or growing your notary business. So until next time, guys, have a good one.